Hello friends, running kimono. So we have a little bit of Walgreens, a little bit of Dollar General, and a lot of 90% off. So the first store we're going to is Walgreens. And so sorry there's no weather report. It's really bright, weird Phantom of the Opera lighting. So we're just going right into the deals. I know a lot of you love that. So let's give this video a thumbs up for getting right to business. Okay, so 90% clearance in this health food aisle with the supplements specifically. So the energy bars, the supplements for drinks, that sort of stuff, like if you were going to bulk up, that would be the aisle. This specific drink or drink mix, it's called Vital Proteins. It's called the Matcha Collagen Latte. $30.99, 90% off at $3.09. Even if you wanted to try it, here's my stupid thought. I think IBOTTA in the next week might have a rebate for this, so I grabbed a couple. If I'm wrong, I used some Walgreens cash, but like for $3.09, I'm excited to try that. This organic, it's called maca powder by Navitas organic from $8.99 down to 90 cents. Now, a lot of this stuff, I looked at the expiry date, guys, and it doesn't expire till like 2023. So I have no clue why it's on clearance. Maybe they want to charge more or have like smaller packaging or something. We also have these little protein bars. I don't know the company's name, but $2.79 down to 28 cents. So not a bad price point. Other protein cookies is the Lenny and Larry's. It's a double chocolate cookie, $2.49 down to 25 cents. And those are not half bad. I've had them on a couple occasions. Not too shabby. Also in the air care aisle, a lot of stuff is hit 90% off. We have a Febreze heavy duty car clip. Somebody already bought it for 40 cents. I would buy all of them for 40 cents, but what a great price point. And we also have this Airwick, I think this is the sleep one that was on clearance at the Dollar General, 75 cents, another superb price point. Also go down the hair care body wash aisle, a lot of that stuff 90%. We have some Suave body wash for 20 cents. I know hand soaps also, body wash, and a lot of bar soap, so be on the lookout for that. Okay. This is a quick little deal that I saw a lot of content makers posting on Instagram, so too many to thank, but it was all over social media today. It is to buy 2 of the double packs and then 1 single brush with this promotion of buy 3, get a $5 register reward. 2 register rewards are in fact printing. So this is what we're going to grab for our basket. 1 Oral-B Vivid brush. And then 2 packs of the 4 packs, and they're all priced at $3, so that is $9 on the nose. Please pay attention. You're grabbing the right ones. And just to show you, like, what do they look like? Here it is a little closer. You can use the Walgreens app, scan the back, make sure they're ringing up for $3, and you know you're grabbing the right ones. Guys, so here's the math for this one. So 2 of the double packs, 1 single Oral-B brushes at $3 a pop. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus grab a $1 filler. So if you want to go down that dollar aisle or grab a cheap water, whatever you want, make it $1. So your total here is 10. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, spend it for this. And then out of the Catalina machine, you'll get both a $5 and a $4 register reward. I did this today, Tuesday, the 29th, and look, it printed for me. I did this around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If they will end this or how long this will go on for, I don't know, but it's 2 different register rewards that are printing on this specific combination. The devil is in the details. Pay attention, and if you do not like to pay this out of pocket, use some Walgreens cash, or you can spend money if you wish, either way, but I'd rather just grab a filler item, make it an even 10, and use $10 in Walgreens cash. I just think that's a smarter way to go. Okay, so if you were with me, first thing this morning, I made a curbside video, meaning I placed this order online, got myself to the store, went to the photo department and said, can I have my order? And then they gave me this. I got 2 of the Neutrogena bar soaps and then 1 Refresh shampoo. For the bar soap, we have this 5 off of 2 digital coupon. I know I had more than one. I had like a $2 one, another 5 off of 2. But for this deal, I really wanted the bar soap because if you have acne prone skin, you know it's great. I also loaded this for that shampoo. It's supposed to be some like anti-dandruff magic in a bottle. I've wanted to try it for a really long time. It's on sale for $5.99, so with this it's 99 cents and I'm cool with that. So looking at my order summary, what am I saying? Looking at my order summary, it's $11.22. And then subtracting the two manufacturers, and I used $1 in Walgreens cash. So I paid 70 cents, and that includes the tax. And I also used Sorry15, which is a coupon code. If you watched my video earlier, it worked for me for this. I know not everybody it's working, but it worked in this one instant. One thing I do want to talk about is people that are going to say, well, why didn't you get the Rimmel? That's a very good question. I will just answer it quickly. I do know that at my store, the manager specifically, any sort of online order, curbside, or however you want to say it, they will cancel it. Or if you show up with a basket with like say 50 or 100 cosmetic pieces and you want to try and use the IVC, which you could get away with maybe 2 years ago, they're not doing it now because I live super rural and the supply chain is super uber fractured, so they're just either canceling the order or denying it. But for those of you that managed to score a lot of Rimmel cosmetics, that's awesome, but unfortunately that would never happen up here in a month of Sundays. Okay, so now we're over at the Dollar General. Today this is very interesting where it's called fall and winter hardware. So it's a lot of these products to deal with the snow and the sleet and the cold elements. And they'll either have it at the front or they'll have it on an end cap somewhere in the store. Today it's 90% off, and I'm going to show you some price points. My theory is next Tuesday it's going to be a penny. And because I live in such a cold snow belt, I think that there is so much of this in the store that I have this crazy suspicion in my brain that I'll be able to find some of this for a penny. So I'm gambling. I didn't buy any today, even though these prices are super uber amazing. I'm just going to try to make something happen as a penny shopper next Tuesday, and hopefully I can score a couple of items. Now, the first item today that's 90% off is this Prestone. So it is a spray de-icer. I've never actually tried one of these, but it seems kind of interesting. It's 30 cents. If you wish to scan the barcode, here it is. So open up your Dollar General app, and at your store, it will itemize the amount that they have in inventory. Again, you might have to scour the store, look for an end cap, look for it right at the front of the store, look for it in your automotive. It might be in 100 different places, or they might not have any because it might have been such an awful winter where you are. The next one are these hot hand warmers. It's a 3-pack for 25 cents. So kind of a gamble because I would like a couple of these. When you're buying these, also look at the expiry date, because if it's going to expire like tits sweat, I don't think you want to buy like, a case of them. And how many more cold days do we have left in this spring? Probably not many. But if you can find some that don't expire till 2024, 2025, maybe stock up for if you live in a snow belt. If you live in Southern California, obviously this is not for you. But if you live in a colder region, you know what I'm talking about. And these are the foot warmers for 10 cents. My feet are always cold in the wintertime, so I'm definitely going to hopefully find some of these. And they had a lot of ice scrapers and stuff too, but these are the items that interest me. And I'm going to gamble. And I know I'm not much of a penny shopper, but I'm going to really try to find something next Tuesday. So I'm going to have to get to the store first thing. I have all the UPCs in my phone, and hopefully, fingers and toes crossed, I score a couple of these items. I would be so happy. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.